Today I am reviewing the SuperATV heavy-duty CVT drive belt. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you own a Polaris RZR XP 1000, you already know that these machines are absolute beasts on the trail. They are built for high action, deep mud, rocky climbs, and fast straightaways. But there is one vulnerable link in your factory drivetrain that can cut your weekend short faster than anything else, and that is your stock CVT drive belt. When you are pushing your machine to its absolute limits, running massive tires, or climbing steep grades under heavy throttle, an underperforming OEM belt will quickly start to slip, glaze over, and eventually shred itself into a mess of rubber cords inside your clutch housing, leaving you stranded out in the middle of nowhere. If you are tired of smelling burnt rubber or constantly carrying 3 spare belts in your cargo box, it is time to upgrade to something engineered for pure, unadulterated abuse. That is why we are looking at the SuperATV heavy-duty CVT drive belt, specifically engineered for the 2014 and newer Polaris RZR XP 1000 models. Built right here in the United States, this belt is designed with advanced XC technology to handle extreme heat, massive torque loads, and the kind of aggressive riding that completely destroys factory belts. What makes the SuperATV heavy-duty belt so much stronger than a standard replacement? It all comes down to the material science and advanced engineering built into its core. Standard factory belts often rely on basic rubber compounds and weak internal cords that stretch under load. When a belt stretches, it loses its grip on the clutch sheaves, causing friction. Friction creates massive amounts of heat, and heat is the absolute #1 killer of CVT belts. SuperATV solves this issue by constructing their heavy-duty belts with an ultra-strong aramid fiber cord. Aramid is the exact same high-strength material used in body armor and aerospace applications. By integrating a knife-cut aramid cord into the high-modulus rubber compound, this belt possesses an incredibly high shock load rating. This means that when you slam on the throttle, launch off a ledge, or unexpectedly hook up on hard-packed dirt, the internal cords absorb that violent energy without stretching, snapping, or separating between the rubber layers. Furthermore, because of this knife-cut manufacturing process, you get significantly less edge fraying over time compared to standard ball-ground sidewall belts. On the trail, the performance benefits of this belt are immediately noticeable. It delivers incredibly smooth, predictable clutch engagement right off the bottom end. You won't experience that jerky, erratic hesitating when trying to crawl slowly over technical obstacles. Because the advanced rubber compound retains its structural rigidity even when subjected to extreme squeezing forces from your clutch, it ensures maximum power transfer from your engine directly to your wheels. You get sharper throttle response, quicker acceleration, and zero power loss from belt slippage. Speaking of heat, SuperATV's XC technology excels at thermal regulation. The precision-engineered top and bottom cogs act like a cooling fan inside your clutch cover, continuously circulating air and pulling destructive heat away from the core of the belt. Better heat dissipation means the rubber compound stays within its optimal operating temperature range, preventing the glazing that leads to chronic slipping. This belt is literally built to handle thousands of miles of constant throttle, heavy loads, and continuous trail abuse. One of the best things about buying from SuperATV is their dedication to real-world testing. They don't just simulate these belts in a sterile laboratory. They field test them across more than 600 acres of brutal off-road testing grounds. They verify that the dimensions perfectly match the factory specifications of the 2014 plus Polaris RZR XP 1000, providing a 100% fitment guarantee. However, there is an important fitment note to keep in mind before purchasing. While it is a perfect drop-in replacement for the vast majority of standard RZR XP 1000 models, it is not compatible with the specialized Trails and Rocks edition, which utilizes a slightly different clutching configuration. For all other standard XP 1000 configurations, it slides right into place effortlessly. Just remember, like any high-performance racing component, you do need to follow a proper braking procedure. Taking the time to let the belt seat properly against your clutch faces for the first 20 miles will ensure you get maximum longevity and performance out of your investment. At the end of the day, your side-by-side is only as reliable as the belt turning the wheels. Upgrading to the USA-made SuperATV heavy-duty CVT drive belt gives you the ultimate peace of mind to pin the throttle, conquer the toughest terrains, and make it back to the trailer every single time. It is a rugged, heat-resistant upgrade that pays for itself the very first time it saves you from a mid-trail belt change.